I'm starting out with the shade Imperial Forces using this flat brush from Colourpop, the E25 brush, and then I'm applying it above my crease, following the curve of the crease in like an arch type shape. Just softly placing the color here, and then I'm going to use little circular motion on the top edge of the application. I'm making this line about the thickness of the brush. And then again, just using little circular motions on that top edge. You want to have a seamless blend between your skin tone and the transition shade. This will just help blend all the shades together. So I'm working my way towards the outer corner. And then I'm going to turn my brush and apply it to my lower lash line, and then connecting the two lines in the outer corner, creating a sideways V shape. With the color Battle Station and this round brush from Colourpop in the style E28, I'm applying this darker shade tighter into the crease, just following the arch of the crease and then slowly blending it into that lighter gray that we just applied previously. And then creating a sideways V shape in the outer corner, applying it to the lower lash line as well, just slowly blending it into the lighter gray, being careful not to blend it up too high so we have a little bit of the lighter gray showing as well. I'm using a very light hand and just kind of softly buffing the edges. You can go back in with the larger brush that we applied the light gray with to help blend it out as well. With the shade I Am the Master and the E28 brush from Colourpop again, I'm applying this to the front portion of the crease, about halfway, meeting in the center, and then kind of feathering the shade out. And then just slowly blending it into the surrounding gray shades. I'm only applying a little bit of color. I don't want it to kind of overwhelm the front of the eye, so I'm just kind of slowly feathering out the edges, and then add more as I go. With the shade Death Star and this E29 brush, I'm slowly building up this silvery color on my eyelid and kind of feathering it into that red shade on the front of the eye and then towards the outer corner and the center. Just slowly building up the color, kind of packing it on and swiping the edges with a feathering motion. With the color Stormtrooper and an E29 brush again, I'm going to be applying this to the inner corner of my eye. Just softly feathering it into the red and gray and then sweeping it onto the lower lash line. With the color The Empire and the round brush, I'm applying this to the outer corner of my eye, just kind of filling in the remaining portion and then blending it into all the colors around it. With the color Sith Lord and this angled brush. This is in the style E30. I'm lining my upper lash line, making it thinner towards the inner corner and thicker towards the outer corner, kind of blending out that top edge. Just packing and sweeping on the color, using little feathering motions on that top edge to make it diffused, and then going back in with the round brush to kind of blend it into the outer corner color with a little bit of the red on there, making an inner corner wing with the eyeshadow as well. Just touching everything up. With an eye pencil from Revlon, I'm applying that to my waterline, and then using this sparkly shade in the color Dark Side. I'm using an angled brush to smoke out the lower lash line, just kind of feathering it downwards, blending into the gray. Applying some mascara. This is the Pushup lashes from Charlotte Tilbury, and then applying some false lashes from Bali Lash, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Be sure to subscribe down below and hit the notification bell to be notified of the next time I post. And thank you for watching. Bye.